20 years, you knew a Bentley before it reached you. 4 round headlights, appearing in your mirror like 2 pairs of eyes that had seen everything and judged most of it. It was not just a design detail. It was a declaration, a signal that the vehicle behind you had a longer history than the road you were both traveling on. Bentley just changed it. All of it. This is the 2026 Bentley Continental GT Speed. The 4 eyes are gone. In their place, a single oval lamp, a horizontal slash of light that Bentley describes as the eye of a hunting tiger. The biggest design risk in 100 years of manufacturing, and the most arresting front end in the current Continental's entire history. But the headlights are not the most significant change. Open the bonnet. The W12 is gone. The engine that carried heads of state, that idled beneath the bonnet of the Queen of England's personal vehicle, that defined what a Bentley sounded like at full throttle for over 2 decades. Gone. Before you mourn it, look at what replaced it. A 4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 paired with a high-output electric motor. 771 horsepower. The old W12 produced 650. 0 to 60 in 3.1 seconds. The most powerful road car Bentley has ever released. Built around an engine with 4 fewer cylinders than the one it replaced. The W12 did not retire. It was surpassed. But raw output is not where this car makes its most important argument. The plug-in hybrid system gives this Continental 50 miles of pure electric range. 50 miles of complete silence. A Ferrari at full noise announces itself 3 streets before it arrives. It is a statement that says, "Look at what I have." A Bentley moving through a city in total silence makes no statement at all, which is a far more powerful thing to say. Stealth has always been the language of people who do not need to be heard. Inside, the Continental GT Speed does not attempt to reinvent what Bentley has spent a century perfecting. The leather takes 2 weeks to stitch by hand. The wood veneers are matched by eye before they are fitted. And the rotating center display remains. 1 press of a button and the digital screen turns away from you, replaced by 3 analog dials that have no connection to software, updates, or anything that requires a passcode. It is a cabin that asks nothing of you except that you sit in it. $300,000. At that number, the conversation inevitably includes the Aston Martin DB12 and the Ferrari Roma. The Aston is a driver's car that occasionally forgets you have a spine. The Ferrari is a masterpiece that has decided comfort is someone else's responsibility. The Continental GT Speed does something neither of them attempt. It covers ground at supercar pace and arrives in the same condition it departed. Every time, in every weather condition you are likely to encounter between here and wherever you are going. We will not pretend the W12 did not matter. It mattered enormously. But the vehicle it has produced as its successor is faster, cleaner, and more capable than anything the 12 cylinders ever delivered. The headlights changed. The engine changed. The number on the dyno changed. The only thing that didn't change is what it feels like to sit inside one and understand that nothing else on the road occupies the same position. 100 years of history, and the best chapter is this one.